Too late. I'm already taking another one. The one that I took was horrible. And this is Atticus going upstairs. But she's sitting on the second one.
That's a he.
I mean a he.
This is cat.
No.
That was me.
That's good.
I knew it was gonna cat sound.
And this is Penelope laying on the ground.
What you gonna do with that big fat butt?
So we pulled off the side of the road.
Penelope. Wee Penelope. What you gonna do with the big fan bun? Wiggle, wiggle. Sensei, woo. Okay. Atticus keeps on moving. Penelope keeps on moving, so I can't. I'm gonna put this here. And this is a kitty cat in a box. Dad, I got the best film. A cat in a box. Dev. I was gonna say too much person, not enough cat. Dev, stop torturing him. Stop trying to put a box.
I'm not even touching it.
Oh, you're not even touching him? No.
On the slide, she could back down from him.
Okay.
Oh, and there you go.
Well, that mean person just put the box over a cat. Luckily, it has a hole. I gotta get this.
It was better than he thought it was going to be. It's his first few times.
Dev, too much hand, not enough cat. I see the cat. I got it. Oh, the eyes look so cool. I got this.
No, don't. No, you can rip your hand off. Probably will.
She can rip your hand off. There, I got this.
She can leave anytime she wants. No, don't do that. You can't record it.
Actually, yeah, I can record a blank screen.
Look what you did.
What did I do?
You ripped it.
You hit one of those bumps coming down that slide. You're going to take air.
Dad, this is over 3 minutes. I think we should stop this.